In this video, you'll learn how to embed a web page inside Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to seamlessly integrate external content into your Notion workspace, enhancing the functionality and richness of your notes and projects. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Notion's website. Ensure that you have an active internet connection, as a stable connection is essential for smooth operation. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion interface, which typically includes your workspace and recent pages. If you are not signed in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your email address and password in the provided fields, then click on the login button. After a brief loading period, you will be directed to your Notion workspace where you can start the embedding process. Next, locate the area within your workspace where you want to create a new page. Click on the Add a Page button, which is usually found on the left sidebar. This action opens a new blank page where you can begin to organize your content. Once the new page is open, type in a title relevant to the web page you wish to embed. This title will help you identify the page later. After entering the title, click on a blank space within the page to ensure your cursor is active. Then type /embed and you will see a drop-down menu appear featuring options related to embedding. Click on the embedding option from this menu. At this point, the embedding interface will appear, prompting you to paste the link you wish to embed. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the website that you want to embed. For demonstration purposes, you can use Wikipedia or any other site that allows embedding. Once you're on the desired website, copy the URL from the address bar, return to your Notion page and click on the paste link box that appeared after selecting the embed option. Right-click in this box and select paste from the context menu. The URL should now be visible in the box. After pasting, click on the embed link button to finalize the embedding process. You will notice a loading indicator for a moment as Notion processes the link. Once completed, the embedded web page will appear directly within your Notion page. This allows you to view and interact with the content without leaving Notion, enhancing your workflow. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider checking your internet speed and ensuring that the website you are trying to embed supports embedding. Some sites may restrict this functionality, which could prevent the content from displaying correctly. And that completes the process of embedding a web page inside Notion. Thanks for following along and see you next time.